everybody. If you're looking to upgrade your toolbox for doing your own bike maintenance, a tool that I suggest highly, I don't even have one myself, I'm borrowing my friends right now, but I'm going to get one of these, is a torque wrench, especially when you're working on carbon bikes. It takes the guesswork out of torquing your bolts, tightening your bolts to the proper tightness. One thing I know about torque wrenches, a tip that I can give you is that if you're using a torque wrench, and let's say on a crank arm, it says to torque the bolts to 12 to 14 Newton meters. Let's say you set your torque wrench. Usually torque wrenches have, you pull this thing here, and by twisting the arm, you adjust the tension, the torque stiffness. Every time you use a torque wrench and you're finished, reset your torque wrench back to 0, because if you forget about it and a bolt requires, let's say, 5 Newton meters, and you've got your torque wrench set to 14 Newton meters, you end up breaking something or stripping out that bolt. So it's just a tip. And no, I didn't learn this the hard way. My friend Steve, he's a mechanic, he told me about this. So yeah, if you're looking for an upgrade to your toolbox, get a torque wrench, torque your bolts to the right spec. So I hope this tip helped you guys. If it did, comment, share, like, subscribe, and give me some ideas of some other videos you want to hear about. Thanks a lot, and talk to you soon. See you later, guys.